Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making a chicken salad sandwich. I like chicken salad sandwiches because they are rich and smooth but still offer those little bursts of flavor and crunch. Let's take a look at what we're going to need to make it, okay? To make a chicken salad sandwich, you are going to need 1 chicken thigh, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, salt, pepper, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped celery, 1 tablespoon of roasted bell pepper, and like most sandwiches, you're going to need 2 slices of bread. Personally, I like to season the chicken thigh before I cook it, as well as adding seasoning into the chicken salad itself. That gives it a wonderfully rich, seasoned flavor, but you don't have to. You can just add the seasoning into the chicken salad directly at the end. Season the chicken thigh with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You don't need to add a lot of seasoning. Chicken is a fairly delicate flavor, so if you add too much, it's easy to overpower the flavor of the meat itself. Plus, if you do the double seasoning method like I'm showing, then you get the rich flavor infused into the meat directly. Once your chicken thigh has been seasoned, bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. I'll see you when it's done. Now that the chicken thigh has been cooking for 40 minutes, go ahead and remove it from the oven. And allow it to cool down. In the meantime, you can prepare the rest of the chicken salad. Chop 1 tablespoon of red bell pepper. And 1 tablespoon of celery. You can also add your 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Go ahead and remove the skin from the chicken thigh. And cut the bone out of the chicken thigh. Once you've separated the meat from the bone, you can go ahead and cut it into small chunks. You may notice the way chicken thigh is structured, you can actually pull layers of the meat apart quite easily and then slice the layers. Go ahead and again season the salad. Very lightly, because the salt, pepper, and garlic flavors will already be infused into the chicken. And go ahead and mix it all up. Ideally, you'd chill the chicken salad before adding it to the bread to make the sandwich. However, I'm making this sandwich for my lunch tomorrow, so it can all go in together right away. Add your chicken salad to your bread. And close it up. And there you have it, my take on a chicken sandwich. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe. Down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think you might enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.